Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maggie. If this is your first time stopping by, I hope you decide to like and subscribe and click the notification bell. Then come back, check out some of the other content I have on my channel. As you saw from the video title, this is a Dollar Tree haul. I am at a Dollar Tree I haven't been to in months. The manager of the store transferred down to one of the other ones back when they opened up the new one in Virginia Beach from off Golf Galaxy, and she was very fastidious about having the store nice and neat. And the new manager that took over doesn't appear to be as fastidious as she was, so it hasn't been as enjoyable for me to shop at this one because a lot of things are in disarray or not as tidy as they have been in the past. But we're gonna see. I'm shopping, I'm kind of doing a walkthrough in the afternoon, and that tends to have more guests, and I try not to film then, but it has been a minute since I've done a Dollar Tree shop with me. So let's see what we can find. This is one not far from my house. Again, it's on my route, but enough of that long intro. Let's just get into the shop with me. Fall floral, looking good, and Halloween solar lights. Oh. And they also have pumpkins. Cute. Zachary Candy Company is pretty good. Oh, made with honey. The autumn mix. I love these. You're either a candy corn lover or a hater. I think Brock's is best though, but I'll have to do a taste test to see if that's true. Still lots of patriotic to the left. I got some of these before. Let's see what else. Boy, what is that loudness? And then we got some more of the fall. Now these I haven't seen anywhere yet. Or this pumpkin trick or treat. It looks very vintage. At the apothecary shop. And then there's this one. This one with the bat. And they have the dangles. And then the vintage pumpkin. Okay. Oh, I love the candy corn. Very cute. And I've said it before, I'm not a Halloween person because it's a lot of cult stuff, but for the kids it's just about candy and costumes, and so I don't want to spoil it for the children, but we can make it fun and wholesome, right? So now we're getting into what I like. Cinnamon sugar. These are heavy. I think I've seen these in other places. Boy, that's loud. I've seen these before. Very cute. They seem to be a little picked over, but okay. Alright, behind me are some more Halloween things. We have 3D erasers. So if you're putting together like a boo bag, I like those plaid. They have, fun little, this is like a little wind-up walking toy. These are like spiderweb glasses. The little pumpkin, these are cute. Okay. Ugh, not so much the eyeball. These are cute. Spin tops. These little party favor squish ball, Anything else? Oh, they do have a Frankenstein. So let me see, they have, it looks like a mummy, Frankenstein, a pumpkin, and the eyeball. Is there any others? It doesn't appear to be. These are ink pens. Those are cute. Gosh, you guys, I hope that's not too loud for y'all. The garlands. Ping pong eyeballs. If you're really into Halloween, it's a great place to come to get some stuff. So, all right, and here's some pot holders. I don't think I've ever seen Halloween pot holders before, but hey boo, those are cute. I like this one the best with the pumpkins. Skeleton hand, and then this one, work your magic. Again, I've told you before, not a huge fan of celebrating demons and witchcraft and all that stuff, but I do. Every day is a day the Lord has made, so that's where I always look at it. Thank goodness that loud noise has stopped. Okay, so we have these cute little, these are plastic. They say Happy Halloween. It's innocent. These are the cups. Now this design here is very gothic, very Edgar Allan Poe. Victorian kind of thing. The spirits flow. Then they have these goblets with, it's supposed to be like a skeletal hand on it. I've heard about these, haven't seen them yet. And then these are little buckets. Pick your poison, no tricks, just treats, happy haunting, and bon appetit. That'd be cute for the dogs, right? There's fun socks for the season. I know they've had some with pumpkins on them. Not those, but actual orange pumpkins. I'm not seeing them. Look at this gigantic cauldron for $1.25. Wow. You could DIY that and make it your own. They do have these boxes that look like books. And they stack or go inside each other. You could decoupage them and turn them into something else if you're not a fan of the cover, and I'm not. And then they have these candy dishes with a skull, a pumpkin, a ghost, or a cauldron. Those are cute. Oh, the cards. I like looking at these for paper crafting purposes. So let me see if I can find. Look at this one. Look how adorable that is. That's very pretty. I do send out cards, but oh, I love it. Look at that. Grab me a couple of these. And a couple of those. I love little villages. Okay. Oh, I love this one. I have several of those at home. Okay, we're getting down into the toy aisle. Of course, we do have the Hot Wheels. That infernal noise thing came back on again. Okay. And the race car, someone's coming through. Okay. Hot Wheels, but also Matchbox cars too. So this looks like it's 70 years. Hopefully that noise will stop soon. And then they do have these larger cars. And then coming down here to like the little Lego sets. They did, some stores a while back had the flowers, and I never did see them in the stores I go to. What's this? Okay, I haven't seen these before. Oh, You build a dinosaur. That is adorable. I've never seen these. This is new. It's new to me at least. That's nice. Okay. Still have the turbo wheels and these cute little, yes, I'll pick that up, the little turbo wheels sets that the cars will be the perfect size for. So that's adorable. All right, directly behind me, and we do have this in the way, but we do have some stuff from back to school, these fun cups, but also these and the book bins. They have the noodles 5-pack. This is heavy. My granddaughter loves these. It's squishy and stretchy, and they love it. And then there's the caddies that you can use these to organize not just their supplies, but even in the car, snacks and things like this. I hope this is not too loud for y'all. Wouldn't you know, I picked the loudest. Oh, they still have some Raya figures. That's nice. See what I mean about the store being kind of a mess. And then we have the Colorform games. I'm looking for Hi-Ho Cheerio because I don't have that one. Chutes and Ladders Connect 4. This is really a great way to get some stocking stuffers and things as you start Monopoly and Chutes and Ladders. Okay, there are things in there you can use for paper crafting as well. Chutes and Ladders Connect 4, Battleship. These are all. There's Guess Who and Sorry. Yeah, see this Trouble, and I'll pick that up. I'm not going to contribute to the mess. Okay, I don't see Hi-Ho Cheerio, but it's available. I've seen it hauled. Okay, thank goodness that infernal noise stopped. Okay, I did pick up all the stuff. See, I don't understand why everything is such a mess. But anyway, they have more of these exceptional puzzles from Mud Puppy, 1,000-piece puzzles. If you have puzzle lovers, that is more than $1.25. So back on the other side, we're back to the squish balls and various other, these are the Oishis. What is that? Ryan's World Oishis. Those are cute. They're kind of rubbery, stretchy. And then here's the Curiosity play sets with the little molds, the different molds figures. And this one has a little extruder. That's a cute little stocking gift. Okay. There's the Final Faction toys for the action figure fellas. These look like they're just accessory packs. I'm not seeing very many of the figures themselves. So, just... Okay, down here are the tie little, like backpack clips. These are super cute. It's an owl. This looks like it's a bear. Oops, Tigger. And it looks like all the ones in this particular batch. These are cute. These are what those noodles are like, the little stretchy. Okay, here's Your Action Hero. It's not the same as Final Faction. It's a little bit smaller, but these are cute. Okay, directly behind me are the books. So let me see if I can find new stuff or do a little bit of straightening. Hopefully that infernal noise won't come back on again. Okay, oh. What's this? Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. I've never seen that. So this is really cute. A lot of people in here. And they all seem to be coming down the aisle that I'm on. Oh, these are the pop art. Cute, and they have different styles. There's another. Blippi, spot the difference. I've gotten those books in the back. This is Too timid to talk about the hedgehog. I bought these at another Too Tall. Okay. Yep, I have this one. And all the Daniel books. Teen Titans, that looks new. I don't think I've seen that one. But I love the comic series. They're up to number 6. This is number 4. And number 5. These are really cute. Okay. Dr. Seuss includes Memory Match game on the back. That's adorable. It's a good time to start getting things for back to school. Okay, that one hopefully is just going to stay. Okay. These are cute. Oh God, there's that noise again. Looks like there's 3 different types like that. Okay, I did a little straightening. Somebody was here talking to me and I didn't want to, thank God, there's that. Okay. All right. I've straightened out the books a little bit, but an employee needs to come here. I'm sure they're taking care of that. Let's go back to the toys. Okay, they have these gooey, stretchy, this feels like it's full of sand, but here's some of these things. Okay. The punch balls, those are fun. Oh, Blue's Clues. My daughter, when they had, this is the 3rd, I don't even know his name now because my youngest daughter was watching when Steve, the original Blue's Clues, and when it was last year or the year before when they had the Blue's Clues float in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade and they had all 3 Blue's Clues hosts, my youngest daughter burst into tears when she saw Steve. She loved him so much. Okay, look at that. These are great because they work with Legos. Those are so fun. And of course you can start thinking of the Operation Christmas Child items because there's things you can get here that will fit in those boxes. So this is adorable. This might be fun, cute. This works for 18-inch dolls. And it does hook up to water so that you could, if you put it on top of something, let me see how they depict it here. Yeah. There is a little cord. You can see the clear tubing there. And it will hook up and you could pump water. So it depends on how much water play you want to have for your little ones. There's a Barbie pink couch. I'm not seeing a whole lot of Barbie stuff, which is a little bit disappointing, but that's okay. We've seen all these. These work fantastic. And I have all of these food sets, which my granddaughter is loving. Oh, and I do see 2 of the new Barbie dresses back here. The purple and this rose gold one. Okay. All right, and here are the ones from last year. Okay. Oh, here's some more. There's the red velvet. There's the purple and the aqua and the green and the black and gold. Sorry, I'm just going to put those there. Here's the Totally Tiny. You get 2 items per bag. And this is series 2. This is not as worth it as well as these micro minis, which gives you a lot more than just, this feels like it's the book. This gives you like 8 things. I've gotten so many of these for Eleanor that she's got more than enough that she needs. Here's Puppy in My Pocket. And these are Squeezlings Transformers. And they do have Sonic the Hedgehog Squeezlings as well. These are great stocking stuffers and fun things that you could put inside your Operation Christmas Child boxes. Down here is the Barbie beds and the chairs, which are 2 for $1.25. It's pretty good. You could spray paint them if you don't like the color. And then we're going to get into the outdoor toys, the shuttlecocks for badminton. This I didn't find, it didn't blow me away, but you know, you put bubbles here and then you are supposed to there's a little topper thing that you would secure in place here, and then you're supposed to fling it like a frisbee. I didn't find that it flew through the air very well, and I didn't find that the bubbles were overwhelming me, so they kind of underwhelmed by that, but it's a nice try. It's a good idea. Just didn't work out the way I think they wanted it to. This is a very cute game. You get 3 different memory games in here: a unicorn, a mermaid, and a dinosaur themed game. This is super cute. Cross stitch. These would be cute in Christmas stockings or in the Operation Christmas Child boxes. Gives them something to do. That infernal noise is getting ready to start again. I'm not sure, but anyway, we'll see. This end cap has all the square pegboard items for organizing your shed, your office. These push pins are great. They also have cork versions of these, so you could mix and match and come up with whatever works for your space, which I think is wonderful. And they give you the black and the white options, which is super nice. All right, we're in the teacher section. Let me see if I can get some of this looking a little bit nicer. Okay, that's why that's there. All right, let's stick that there. Okay, these are great for paper crafting, adorable. These fun stickers, teaching tree, do you see these? Those are nice. Here's trolls and other. Oh, what's this? I've never seen this. Let me see. Very cute. I like it. Pay attention to these things because this is definitely good for helping. This is 100, and they have in ones and tens and hundreds. So pay attention to those. And then these right here as well. Vocabulary words, and there's another one up there. Very nice. These things were kept in better shape, you know. Okay, these are great, as are these for building and making patterns, math, different things like that. Those are great. And then flashcards of any kind are always great. I'm looking for the ones that were like teaching Spanish. I haven't seen those yet, so I'm still looking for them. All right, this is the shipping section. There does seem to be some envelopes and different things here. Again, we're, good heavens, never understand how people can just make a mess and not think twice about it. Was a hole punch, which I will pick up. I guess these things. So cute. Okay. Here's the coin envelopes, 15, 20, and 30 piece. Those are cute, great for paper crafting. See this? This has just been a mess. and it's not really their fault. You have customers that come in and make a mess too, but I don't know if they just don't have enough people working or what's happening. I don't know, but yeah. This wall back here is in a little better shape. The books down here aren't, but oh, look at that. Okay, you could put together some really cute things for your Operation Christmas Child boxes. The Jot Crayons has done a great job with their formula, and they're competitive with Crayola. Still don't beat Crayola, but they're not as bad as Crayola used to be. And this is the skin tone box. Every child should have a box of skin tone crayons. I know it was frustrating for me as a child to only have pink, tan, and brown to choose from. Okay, be careful with that one. There's Play School crayons here. And then we'll see if we can get these in a little. I love the smell of crayons. Okay. Expo. You get a better deal, obviously, at Walmart, but in a pinch, at least it's good to know you can come in here and get it. And the office supply aisle is my absolute favorite. These erasable highlighters are amazing. Pink and orange, yellow and blue. The blue's a little dark for me, but yeah, I gotta figure out where this baby goes. Up here. There we go. Okay. And then here are the other pencils and pens and all kinds of goodies, which I'm fully stocked on, so hooray. And they have these really pretty colored paper clips in the large and the small and just the plain silver. Okay. Notepads, calligraphy, these are nice. Okay, that infernal noise started again, but I wanted to point out these Resin Studio accessories. I haven't seen these. This is so you could make jewelry. These are the molds. And they do have a few of these pigment inks, but not a lot. I haven't seen anybody with full resin supplies, but it's good to see them. So you have to kind of search around, I guess, to the different places, but that's nice. Here's some more Resin Studio mica powder in different colors. What else could you use that for? And here's some more. So those are nice. All right, I'm pretty sure that's their air conditioner. Yikes. So, all right, I'm down the food aisle. These are great things to get for your prepper pantry. The Velveeta cheese sauce, please note, for about a pound of pasta, you'll need 2, maybe 3 of those cheese pouches. And then I'm picking up 3 of these roasted chicken flavor rice. You can do this in the microwave, or you can just put it into the skillet and heat it up. That's good if you're making like a dish that's going to feed a lot of people. You can throw that in there. I wanted to try the roasted chicken flavor. It's all done for you. Rice takes about 20 minutes. It's better, of course, to get the long grain rice and cook it yourself, or jasmine rice. This is great for flavoring up stuff. Trying to see if there's anything else. Always make sure that you're stocking Thai sweet chili sauce. This stuff is so good. Stock the foods that you enjoy eating. Okay? It doesn't always have to be, beans and rice. If you love beans and rice, go for it. But you want things that are going to be enjoyable for you, so that if something happens and you can't get to the store, I can't say enough how much these are really good. There's 3 servings in here of sipping broth. If you're ill, if you're fasting, even if you just want a quick warm broth, it's very comforting. grab these whenever I see them. I love those. K-Cups, 4 for $1.25. So for $5, I'm getting 16. You can't find 16 K-Cups anywhere, and especially this brand, Harry and David. They do have these. There's some food items, shelf-stable food items I've heard or seen other people get that I wanted to look for, and I haven't seen them yet. So, oh, edible shimmer powder. Okay, cake decorators. There you go. All right. Okay, they've increased the number of fan things that they've offered. For us, it's the Washington Commanders. Okay. And we're getting into drinks. What's this? Gummies. Okay. Boy, their stuff is loud in the store. Okay, coming down the makeup aisle, there have been some new SC colors. And they've had OPI as well in a 2-pack. I want to see if I can find some of that. There's another Essie up there. What is this? Cloud. Mineral. Okay, I'm not sure. What brand is that? I can't tell. There's also been packs of makeup sponges and things that have been huge with like 20 sponges in them. I want to see if I can find those, and multi-packs of tools, you know, like makeup brushes and things. I'm going to see if I can find those. It's pretty flushed. I did notice that they've added fair to their color line. I usually get light to medium, that's what I use, but they have added fair. This came out last year, the year before, and it was just 2 colors, light to medium and medium to dark. And we're like, y'all need to expand that, so it's good to see they're expanding it. Okay. There's the makeup removing wipes. Here's the Pond's. You only get 10, so keep that in mind. Spothicary 25. Okay. These were the palettes that came out last year. Very nice. And I'm not seeing any of the new things that I've seen others haul, so that's disappointing, but it's all right. Oh, here's the Lip and Eye Studio I was telling you guys about. There's the lipsticks. And then lip glosses. Lip crayons. I've gotten a couple of these. Okay. And then the lip pencils. And then coming down here, these are liquid, I guess, eyeliners, liquid liners, and eyeshadow. Champagne bubble, those are cute. Too frosty for me though. There's that infernal noise again. Anytime you can get Guru Nanda, it's really good. Much more expensive, but they have all kinds of. Grin is much more expensive in Walmart, so that infernal noise came on again, so sorry about that. Okay, here are the Glowing and the Smooth and Lift skincare lines. Those are beautiful. They also have the Blemish Control, and then I don't see any here, but there's a red set that is supposed to be the dupe for Olay. And then, of course, these facial serum beads. I absolutely love these. They work like a charm. And then you have the facial masks here. These right here are really great. I have a pack of these I keep in the car in case there's some kind of a cleanup emergency. These are great to travel with in your carry-on in case something happens and you can't get to a shower. That's a great way to feel really refreshed. Okay, we're getting into the body washes. This one smells amazing. And the peach ring smells amazing. So I imagine, let me smell the pumpkin spice. I think there's an apple one. Oh, yeah, that's incredible. That's wonderful. Okay. And then there's the Brazilian Mist. I've got 2 of them at home and they are fantastic. Oh, here's some more right down here. This has the notes of pistachio and salted caramel. There's also a body spray which is not here, but this is really good. It smells just like the Sol de Janeiro. It's a dupe for that one. And then a little further down the aisle, they do have some more bath things like the bath bombs, sweet peony, cherry blossom, and these do come in different shapes and colors. Thank God that's turned off. Okay. I won't be back in this store for a while, not till I know everything is cleared up. This is really neat. Honey sunflower, body cream, bath salt, bath cream. There were some bath oil beads that I was looking for that I've seen other people hauling, and I want to, hopefully, we'll be able to find those. But, oh, here they are. Pop sugar. Pop sugar, y'all. I'm going to get a couple of these. I'm going to get one because the fragrance is eucalyptus, but they also have lavender, vanilla, and some others. That's a name brand, Pop Sugar. Okay. There's other Pop Sugar items that I've seen other people haul that I'm keeping my eyeball out for. So, okay. And then you have all the loofahs. Those things get swapped out so often, so it's good to know you can come to a place and get them for very inexpensive. And then there's these are great shower headbands, or nice, right? Yeah. And we're in the baby items. They do have some adorable headbands. Of course, I have used these barrettes not just for the babies, but for the big dolls. So these are cute, as are these headbands. So not just for babies. You could put together a very cute Christmas gift for someone, a baby doll, a baby blanket, baby headbands, etc. And then I'm trying to see if these are for, they have some really cute silicone baby spoons. These are really adorable disposable ones. There's and they work for the most part. These are really good. You can put frozen fruit inside here, and as it melts, the child can teeth on it and pull the fruit out through that, the holes in that. So you can find something really good. And then this, of course, is the starter toothbrushes for the baby. Really nice. I've used all of them. These These work for the most part, but they do tend to have a little bit of a leak. I'm going to grab me another one of these because the one I have is rubbed off. Those are handy. Okay, the little picture rubbed off. And then these are washcloths and little socks with grippers on the bottom. So important so babies don't fall. These wristlets are cute. Very nice. And then you have the backpacks and the little side purses. I've gotten these for Eleanor to use as a crossbody to teach her about taking care of her, being mindful of her little purse, which will have like some tissues, a little coin purse, or maybe a wristlet, you know, like a little lip balm and her offering for church, and maybe, you know, crayons and something to draw on. Put things in there that she'll use. But Lord, this is a noisy store. Those are cute, and they usually have some that are black and some that look a little bit more grown up. It's super convenient. Oh, here's another pattern. But I've gotten her several of those. She loves them. Okay, and they do have quite a few of these fun with grippers on the bottom, double bubble, and blow pop, thank God. Blow pop socks. These are cute for kids. And these, and Tootsie Roll. Here we are, Tootsie Roll. Cute to put inside. Oh, and they got sugar babies there too. These would be really great for the Operation Christmas Child boxes. Those are fun. They still have some Elvis socks. Elvis. Cute. Pink Floyd. Mickey and Minnie. And Snoopy. And then there's more of the Charms Blow Pops and SpongeBob. They've got some really cute socks. You just gotta look. There's Forrest Gump up there and Snapple. Adorable. All right, I'm gonna close it here, head up to the register with my purchases, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe and click the notification bell. I do apologize for all the noise. Have a great day, guys. Bye.